We have our seed started here. Tomato plants. I have several varieties. These are all full of peppers, onions. None of them came up yet. We just planted them a couple days ago. Tomatoes we planted like 4 days ago and they've already popped up. Back to the garden, we got greenhouse, or polytunnel I should say. We got the plastic on and shade cloth put on today. Front put in. Still have a lot more to do. Got some lights hung up in here as well. Of course there's a big old hole in the shade cloth. We'll have to add a piece, but it still works. Still have the frame in down here and put the pool noodles back up is what we're using, so the plastic doesn't get cut as bad. This is the update for now so far. Just a couple little tables and shelving here, but we'll eventually put more tables there. So right now it's all junk hydroponic system, but we got this sides tied down, some paracord, and use the wiggle wire to hold it all together.